Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale time management with PracticeMaster step by step clearly. Begin by downloading and installing PracticeMaster from the official website. Open PracticeMaster and create a new account or log in to your existing one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Select the Time Management module from the dashboard. Set your goals by clicking on the Goals section. Enter specific time management goals relevant to your personal or professional life. Next, navigate to the Tasks section. Create a list of tasks that align with your set goals. Use the prioritization tool to rank each task based on urgency and importance. Schedule your tasks by dragging them into the calendar view. Be sure to allocate realistic time blocks for each task. Utilize reminders for critical tasks to stay on track. After scheduling, revisit your goals to ensure alignment. Track your progress using the Analytics feature. Analyze your time spent on each task and adjust your schedule as needed. Consistently review your goals every week to stay focused. Join the PracticeMaster community forum for tips and support from other users. Incorporate feedback from your analytics to refine your time management strategies. Continue practicing and experimenting with various features within PracticeMaster. Gradually, you will notice improved efficiency and better time management skills. Embrace the journey and stay committed to your growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.